Hello, this is Mr. Buffington, and today we are going to be looking at the expanded form of a number and talking quite a bit about place values. So you can expect that we will talk about expanded form and place values, and as always, practice, 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 practice. All right, let's talk about expanded form. The expanded form of a number is basically adding up the numbers to make a larger number. It's a lot like adding. Actually, that sounds sort of easy, but don't worry, it's actually easier than easy. Let me show you. The expanded form of a number looks like this: 4,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 7. And you're asked to write it in standard form. Standard form is just the normal way that you write a number. So you can just add up the numbers and write 4,367. Now, this is the easiest case scenario where you just throw down the numbers 4, 3, 6, 7. Boom, they just go in order and it works. Now, I'm going to show you some more examples where it doesn't work out quite this easily, but you can see this is kind of the easiest form of adding because you're adding numbers plus 0. And I'll show you that in a second, how that lines up. And so here's an example of 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 9. Now, when I add numbers like this up, I like to line them up vertically in this way: 50,000 plus 2,000 plus 9. If I'm going to actually add them up, this is the way I would do it. And then notice, your adding is actually just writing down the numbers. Look, 5 goes down there, 2 goes down there, 9 goes down there, and then we just have to remember the zeros. Boom, and we're done. So we're not actually adding anything up. We are just putting in these numbers where they fit. 5 is in the 10,000s column because it's 50,000. 2 is in the thousands column, and 9 is in the ones column, or the units column. Now it's time for you to practice. I want you to write this number in standard form: 40,000 plus 300 plus 20. Pause the recording and try that out. Hey, welcome back. Here it is written vertically for you. Bring the 4 down, bring the 3 down, bring the 2 down, fill in the zeros. Boom. That's how you do it. It should be this quick. Writing numbers from expanded form into standard form should be pretty quick.